Okay, day maybe 3 or 4, but it's been a long time since we did the paddleboard on the lawn, so now we're on the beach, and he's on it. We forgot the treats, but he seems to be okay, and we're just getting him used to it being in the water. His buddy Boots over there climbed on with no prior experience and was fine. But we're taking it easy with Chuckster here. He's a little reluctant student, so let's see what he does when he gets a little bit out in the water. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good. Yeah. Up. Go back. It's okay, Chuckster. Okay. We're on the water. We're on the water. Should I try getting on? No. He's looking a little scared. Yay!
And he's on the water.
You're a good boy.
Then
Lots
praise.
of love, lots of praise for staying on board.
And then you just...
Shake a little bit.
Mom,
Okay.
don't you just get on the end and you start paddling with him?
We're not going to be that aggressive.
Not yet?
We're just going to love him while he's just sitting here and we're next to him.
Okay. So, that's episode 3 of...
SUP
How-
Dog.
What?
SUP Dog 101.
SUP Dog 101, okay. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!